Ready to see some garages? Jump in, I'll show you. We don't have to go far. A garage from hell that frightens you as soon as you step into it. My wildly cluttered garage. A jumbled and chaotic mess. What you're seeing is a complex problem stemming from product choices, time constraints, and the stories attached to every item. People are busy, your time is valuable. Naturally, we reach for the quick fixes, the dollar menu products. And it's hard to say goodbye. How do you say goodbye to your grandfather's tools or your mother's wedding album? Every one of them holds a story, a memory, a person, or a feeling. Growing up, our garage was like a haunted house with toys in it. My parents had this problem, but they didn't know it at the time. Garages left in this condition create a brick wall which blocks everyone from enjoying what they love most. It steals from the whole family. If more cabinets or ceiling racks were the answer, then why do garages continue to fail like this? How do you want to spend your time? That's what we focus on. Function for the whole family. Kids are growing up, memories are either made or they're lost. For us, it's about connecting you to what you love most. And we do this better and faster than anybody. In less than 1 hour of your time, you'll be able to find everything within 30 seconds, load your car and leave in under 5 minutes, and spend every Saturday for the next 12 months doing what you love. And next year, instead of sacrificing your weekend, tidying it up yourself, we'll do it for you. With Koncept Garage, you'll never waste another weekend on your garage ever again. If you're looking for the best experience in the least amount of time, if you want to spend your Saturdays making memories with your family while your neighbors fight with their garages, and if you want your garage to stay organized, book a free consultation with us. Open your garage door and we'll handle the rest.